Hey guys, today we are going to make rainbow popcorn kernels. What you're going to need is a couple bags for however many colors you want, kernels, vinegar, water, and a mixing measuring cup. What you're going to do is add the same amount of water to vinegar in a bag. So this is water. I'm using 1/4 of a cup. So I'm going to need 1/4 of a cup of vinegar. Put it in the Ziploc bag. Just like Easter eggs. When you dye Easter eggs, you'll mix it and add a bunch of the color that you want in the bag. So I'm going to make pink. I'm going to let that swish up in there. And then you're going to add your kernels. This is about 1/2 of a cup. And when you pour it in the bag, you want to make sure that the kernels are completely submerged in the water so that they'll get fully colored. And you'll leave them overnight. So you do it for each color. So it's like this. And let them sit overnight. I will see you tomorrow when they're done. Alright guys, so after you have your kernels sitting in the vinegar and the water for a while, I left mine overnight, some people do a couple hours, you're going to take it out of the plastic bag. You'll take it out with a spoon and let them dry. But look how bright and like colorful these are, they're so pretty. And then we can play with them. I'm excited. Alright, so after we let them sit and dry out, they look like this, and they're really pretty, super bright, and I love them. And they are edible, even though you don't want to eat them. They're really hard, and they probably taste like vinegar, just in case they get in someone's mouth. They're not toxic. So, voila! Beautiful, right?